Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing just a simple product review of the KEDSUM 2-in-1 utility cart with wheels. So this little guy is a durable rolling crate and cart with a lid. It has a 290-pound rolling cart capacity and it requires no assembly. And it has a removable storage crate and is great for packaging my orders and then taking the crate with me and then dropping them off at the post office. I'm using this on the daily recently and it's been really fantastic because it just kind of like streamlines and enhances my workflow without like extra hassle. When I say that there is no assembly, I really mean it. It provides simple instructions, but it's really just removing the styrofoam, lifting up the walls of the crate, and then snapping and locking them together here in the corners, and then it's really good to go. When building it, just be sure to have the corners line up with the blue hinges, and then when to collapse it down, just turn this middle dial, and then it unlocks everything and collapses down nicely. I'm not sure if it's made for this, but I like that it has these 4 little cup holders on the top. When I'm doing random stuff, I like to actually put the lid down, and then what I'll do is I'll just throw like a drink on it or something like that just to hold it in place. But then also it has these little retractive hooks on the lid where if you pop them out, it allows you to hang the lid on the side of the crate. I thought that was really nice. Putting together the dolly is simple as well. Just push it into place and then press on this button on the handle and it allows you to extend or collapse the handle. And then to fasten the crate to the dolly, just line it up on the dolly, push this little button here on the crate, and then on the back you can Velcro strap it to the dolly and then the thing becomes super sturdy. What's most surprising though is how easy it is to maneuver. The thing really does turn on a dime and it actually gets easier to move around as you put more weight into it. So anyways, I like that it's compact and can be used on the daily while at the same time being smooth riding, collapsible, and enabling me to get more work done faster, easier, and with less hassle. So yeah, that's my product review of the KEDSUM 2-in-1 utility cart with wheels. And if you found my video helpful at all, even if you end up going with another product, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a like on the video. Over and out.